You know, when you walk in Naples, every single corner is like a tourist attraction. People hanging there washing and sitting outside and smoking and eating their breakfast. They have windows open so we can see their kitchen, what they're cooking, and nice smell of bread. So I don't know, I think you need like a month living in Naples to just explore the city. Really beautiful. It's like very popular because they got shops in Napoli, Capri and Dubai, and very popular with tourists and some celebrities. You can see that it's quite famous people here, and the prices are quite cheap, so definitely need to try here. So this is the prices you're looking at, and looks like pizza is like 4, and it's go up to like 6-7 euros. So looks like they got like a nice clay oven, so looks like fresh pizza. That's the gluten-free and vegan pizza from here. Only 4 euros and smells amazing. So had that amazing vegan pizza. They got the gluten-free option as well, and vegan as well. And it's only like the normal ones. The cheapest one is 4 euro, which is the margherita one. And if you add some more, it's like 6 euros. That's the maximum. So it's nothing planned today. We are just walking around, getting the vibes of Naples, and maybe do some little souvenir shopping. Don't know exactly what we will be doing today. So just walking around in this alleyways and enjoying Naples. So when you walk down the Tribunali street, this you can't miss this shop, the Sorbilio, which is also the pizza. Apparently it's a very famous pizza shop, and yeah, you can see that how many people are waiting outside. Quite a lot. So that's why we didn't come here, because we don't have time to wait outside. So if you're here, definitely come and check that out. I forgot to mention one thing. You know, when you go to that restaurant to eat pizza, they charge 6 euro for service charge. Obviously you don't pay tip, but the tip is included. So what I noticed that plenty of locals, there is definitely a local place, so plenty of locals coming there to eat, and what they're doing there, they are taking takeaway. The place looks quite nice, you know, the nice ambience, and there looks like plenty of footballers, stars coming to eat there. They got pictures of footballers all over that wall, so when you're on holiday, you don't mind, isn't it, to spend a little bit extra. So yeah, so definitely recommend that. Pizza is nice. They got this underground city, and they have pictures, but unfortunately we are not going inside. It's like 9 euros per person, you know, adults ticket, and so a few euros for the tour, and the pictures looks amazing, you know, if you go inside some underground ruins. when you come to Italy, there is always a church in every streets, every alleyways. They are not normal, like little church. They are like beautiful churches like this one with plenty of art decor and paintings. So obviously, when you come to Italy, there's plenty of coffee shops like that, like bakery, coffee shops, things. And this is their favorite dish apparently, called baba. I think it's rum baba, the sponge soaked in rum. And you can see that people are relaxing outside. So that's a Limoncello factory, and that's the Limoncello liquor made of lemon, but unfortunately because of COVID it's all closed down, so we are not allowed to go inside. But they got this nice display, so yeah, unfortunate. So we need to come back when it's all COVID finished. So I got this one. This is the green one, which is a bit more stronger. And this one is the paler one, which is it looks like no, this is with, so this is with the, I don't know, cream. This looks it's not that strong like other one, so I think I prefer the stronger one, which is more lemon flavor, lemon smell and tastier. I'll buy you some those cookies. They're lemon cookies, yeah? In a little dance, look, mommy is dancing. So we have this Tribunali is definitely a nice place to walk around, and plenty of street artists, plenty of little restaurants. You can sit on the street and do some people watch and enjoy your pizza. So when you're in Naples, definitely check out this place. And this area is nice and cool, like looks so ancient, and a very good vibe. So yeah, so definitely check out, please. So we just came out from the Tribunali street, and the next plan is to get into a metro. Apparently they have a beautiful line of metros. Few metro stations are decorated with nice art, and Toledo, Dante, and Municipi, something like that. So there is like few metro stations. They are like nicely decorated with beautiful art. So we are trying to see this art deco metro stations. Apparently this is one of the best in Europe. The beautiful metro station. So the plan is to go and see the metro station now. So I'm in the Dante station, and this is the artwork in Dante station. I hope it's some more down there. So now I'm in the Toledo station. Apparently this is the best, the most beautiful metro station. So just check that out. It's quite beautiful actually. There is little Nina gone. Hey! So the Toledo station was the best so far. I like Dante, but Toledo was the best. So next is the Municipio, I think. So we are going to the Municipio station to see how that looks like. Come on, train is here. So apparently, unfortunately, there was nothing in Municipio. So we saw Toledo and Dante station artwork, and there is quite few more further that way, but we need to come to this next to the port, so that's why I took the metro. So we seen the two art metro thingies, and Toledo was the best. So if you are in Naples, don't forget to take the metro and have a look. So that was end of our adventure. We just walked around a little bit, but few days is not enough for Naples. What do you think? No, we didn't go to any museums. The one mistake which we made was we thought we make Naples as our base and go and explore Pompeii and Vesuvio, but we never considered Naples as a destination. But when we came here, we realized that how much we underestimated Naples. There was so much to see, and the plenty of museums, and the reviews on internet is not that good, because they say it's not very nice part of Italy. It's a bit gritty. So next time we need to come to Naples for a few days just to explore Naples, to be honest. So yeah, so we are sitting next to this marina now, and I'm enjoying some Aperol. So when you're in Italy, you need to try some Aperol.
Cheers!
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 So yeah, so
Cheers.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.